If you've ever ended up with hard-boiled eggs that are overcooked, impossible to peel, or simply forgotten a pot of water boiling on the stove, you're definitely not alone. Cooking eggs sounds simple, but getting them consistently right can be surprisingly frustrating. So, can the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker make breakfast easier while taking the guesswork out of cooking eggs? Let's find out. The Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker is designed for busy families, meal preppers, students, and anyone who eats eggs regularly. Instead of standing over the stove, this compact appliance automatically cooks eggs to your preferred doneness while also functioning as a poacher, omelet maker, and food steamer. Whether you're preparing breakfast before work or meal prepping protein for the week, it promises to save both time and effort. If you'd like to check the latest price, you can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its cheerful aqua finish, which gives it a fun, modern look that stands out from typical kitchen appliances. Despite its compact footprint, the double-decker design allows it to cook up to 12 hard-boiled eggs at once without taking up much counter space. Everything feels lightweight, yet sturdy enough for everyday use. And the BPA-free plastic construction helps keep the overall weight manageable. One feature that deserves extra credit is how neatly the accessories store inside the unit, making it much easier to keep everything organized between uses. Using the Dash Egg Cooker couldn't be much simpler. After adding the recommended amount of water with the included measuring cup, you simply load your eggs, place the lid on top, and press the power button. The built-in precision thermal sensor handles the cooking process automatically, so there's no need to constantly watch the clock or worry about overcooking. Once the water has fully evaporated, the cooker shuts off automatically, giving you consistently cooked eggs with very little effort. Performance is where this appliance really shines. Hard-boiled eggs come out evenly cooked with firm whites and yolks that match your preferred level of doneness when you follow the included water measurements. Soft-boiled eggs maintain creamy centers, while poached eggs cook gently without falling apart. If you enjoy making breakfast sandwiches or avocado toast, having reliable poached eggs ready in just a few minutes is a huge convenience. The omelet tray also works surprisingly well for preparing quick single-serving omelets loaded with vegetables, cheese, or ham. Beyond eggs, the steaming function adds even more versatility. Small portions of vegetables, dumplings, or seafood can be steamed while preserving moisture and flavor. While it won't replace a full-size food steamer, it's a handy bonus that makes the appliance useful beyond breakfast. For people living in dorm rooms, apartments, or RVs with limited kitchen space, having several cooking functions in one compact machine is a real advantage. Another area where the Dash excels is in cleanup. Since the removable trays and accessories are dishwasher-safe, washing up after breakfast takes very little effort. Even if you prefer hand washing, the smooth surfaces rinse clean quickly with warm, soapy water. Because the cooking plate is separate from the electrical components, keeping the appliance clean doesn't feel like a chore, which encourages you to use it more often. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While it's excellent for eggs and light steaming, it isn't designed to replace a traditional stovetop or multi-cooker for larger meals. You'll also need to use the included measuring guide to achieve consistent results, especially when switching between soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs. Fortunately, after a few uses, the process becomes second nature. If you're ready to simplify breakfast and enjoy perfectly cooked eggs with almost no effort, the Dash Deluxe Egg Cooker is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews and practical buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.